This video is to show the disassembly and replacement of the GRX 900 or GRX 950 controller, speed controller. The first task is to remove the controller box from the axle plate. Once you have the axle or the controller removed from the axle, you'll have to take 2 screws off the opposite corners. And this will allow you to separate the controller box from the housing. So you can see inside the black colored piece is your new controller, or the old controller, and it must be wired back into the control box. Follow the wiring instructions and then reverse process to reinstall the new one.